Hi guys, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's quick video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Hella 500 light kit. Let's get started. So the reason that I want to do this video is that it seems like Hella gives you a lot of nice equipment with your lights to help installation go as easy as possible. So I just want to show you what they actually give you in one of these light kit boxes and give you a quick first impression of the lights themselves. So now everything's out of the main box that everything comes in, and I did already open the box and I was dumb and forgot to turn the mic on. So this is a redo, so some of the stuff has been opened. But they give you two lights in one of these kits, and honestly, the lights seem very high quality. They do come with the stone shields, which is very nice. I think the look of the stone shields is awesome, and I think they would obviously be pretty functional too, but we'll see in my review. These are nice, they just come right off, and the initial quality of the light also feels very good. It's a very sturdy and very solid feeling light, and I think it looks great. The reason I went with these over like a LED light bar or something is that I really like the classic look of these, and I would say that they totally fit that bill. Additionally, obviously they give you two lights if you buy one of the driving light kits, so that's nice. There's another light. And they also give you all sorts of goodies to install these lights and make the installation go as easy as possible. So opening up the other bag that's in there, they give you a wiring harness with built-in fuses, and they also give you a relay so you don't put too much strain on your electrical system. So that's pretty sweet that they give you that stuff and that you don't have to do a bunch of research seeing what will work and how to protect your electrical system, since they just give you that, so it should be pretty straightforward. Another nice thing that they give you is a switch, so you don't have to go out and buy a separate toggle switch to flip these lights on. They give you one that's included. And finally, they give you the mounting hardware for the lights, so you don't have to make your own brackets and buy your own hardware. So that's also pretty sweet. It'll save you time and make installation pretty easy. The final thing that's in the box is installation instructions, and let's see what this says. This is mounting instructions, and let's see if they have a wiring diagram on here to install the lights. It looks like they do have a basic wiring diagram, but I will have an installation video showing you how to install these lights properly and make sure you get the most out of them. So with all that said, I would say that all of this seems like it's very high quality. It's actually exactly what I was expecting, because when you pay a decent amount for a light kit, you expect them to be high quality. So this is good. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. So just to get started here, I'm going to flip this over and get everything out of the box. The struggle is real right now. There we go.